And we're joined live now by Tushar Kawedia, who's the CFO at IRB Infra. IRB Infra, as you would know, has made, or rather has purchased assets. And talk to us about this, Tushar. What kind of synergies does this particular TOT project bring to IRB's larger, assets?
Right. Thanks for this. And yes, we have bagged one of the prominent asset in the country, and this is the second largest TOT in the country, wherein after bagging this asset, we have almost 37% share in the TOT space. So this asset is based out in Hyderabad, and it's Hyderabad Outer Ring Road project with 158 kilometer length. And the project has a quality. The quality of the project is that the development surrounding to this asset is quite robust, and the project has delivered almost a 14% CAGR in last 4 years on the revenue front. And this asset will add a lot of value to our portfolio, being a most prominent asset for us now. And we believe this, after adding this asset in our portfolio, the total asset base for us, for the group, has grown to almost 70,000 crores for us. And our endeavor is to have this asset held at the private InvIT, which we will be doing in a time now, in next 3 to 4 months.
Right, Tushar, this is Vinny joining in the conversation as well. And a good afternoon to you. But, I want to understand, you just mentioned about your company's share of 37% in the TOT space. Could you, that's obviously among the leaders coming in this space as well. What is your growth that you see coming in terms of market share going forward? Obviously, this is a big auto and prominent, or in terms of purchase of assets. So where could we be seeing the market share for the company going forward then?
So, sir, so on the share front, we'll not be able to speak a lot, but definitely having this asset to our portfolio, it brings a strong, it shows the strength of the group, wherein we have been bagging projects on a timely basis with a better returns. So what we are expecting from returns from this project is almost 16 to 18% kind of equity IRR, which will be and the best part is the asset is having a 30 years concession with extended extension available of another 10 years. So having such a large asset in the pool itself gives a lot of confidence for us to deliver and increase the return for our shareholders.
Right, Tushar, and if I may, what is the kind of revenue expectation from this particular project that you're taking up? How does it add to your top line? Of course, it's going to be transferred to the InvIT, but largely on a console level.
So if you see, the project has shown 14% CAGR for last 4 years on the revenue front. We expect the first year should deliver around 600 to 640 crores for the first year revenue. And accordingly, this is the total collection what we are expecting from this project. And maybe with a conservative growth of, say, on a PCU front of 3.5 to 3.7%, the project will be able to deliver an equity IRR of at least 16 to 18% for us.
Okay, Tushar, thank you so much for joining in with us, giving us an understanding on overall the asset of the company that you have acquired, and what does it mean for the company in growth respect as well. On that note, we are going to slip into a short break. Viewers, don't go anywhere, because we'll be back with more updates on the markets after this short break.